This is grade 5, module 5, lesson 20, and the objective in this lesson is to classify two-dimensional figures in a hierarchy based on properties. So we're going to do question number 2, and it says SQRE is a square with an area of 49 centimeters squared, and RM equals 4.95 centimeters. Find the measurements using what you know about the properties of squares. Okay, so first of all, we know if the area is 49 centimeters squared, that means length times width is 49. Hopefully the students will know that 7 times 7 equals 49. So each one of the sides is 49. Okay. Okay, and the diagonals in the square intersect in the center. So this section right here, MR, is the same length as SM. So those two are congruent, and QM and ME are also congruent to that. So all of those measurements are 4 and 95 hundredths of a centimeter. In our first problem here, we are looking for RS. So RS is going to be this entire section here. So it's actually going to be 4 and 95 hundredths times 2, or you can just add those together. And that's going to be equal to 9 and 90 hundredths, or 9 and 9 tenths. So I'm going to write 9 and 9 tenths. QE is also that same distance, so that's going to be 9 and 9 tenths. Okay, and now C is asking for the perimeter, and the perimeter is adding all of the sides together, so we're finding the distance around. And it's going to be 7 times 4, because each side is 7, and it's the 4 sides. Okay, so 7 times 4 is 28, so that's 28 centimeters. Okay, now they're asking for the angle measurement of QRE, okay, and since this is a square, all of the angles must measure 90 degrees. So let me take that one out. RMQ is going to be this angle right here, so RMQ. So we know that QRE is 90 degrees. If you look, if you're adding up this angle, and you add this angle, and this angle, and this angle, that's going to be a circle, which is 360. But I only want a fourth of that right here. So let's divide that by 4. And that's going to be 90 degrees as well, okay? So all of the angles, let me erase some of this ink here. All of the angles in our square, which is here, are 90 degrees. And our diagonals intersect in the center, and it also creates 90-degree angles here.